Mouse. Are you trying to steal Tabitha's milk? That bigger face thinks that's funny. There's Mousy. Yeah, Mousy. What you standing on? So, today's Thursday, theme Thursday. It's cats and dogs. That Mouthy? See, let me look at that. Alright, you look at that. Let's look at Tabitha. Tabitha's got on a little doggy outfit. We got this from Auntie Diana. Over at the hummingbird nest. Isn't that cute? It's 101 Dalmatians. And I think that one's Rolly. And she also has some Scooby snacks. Scooby-Doo. It's Scooby-Doo the dog. And it's a baked graham cracker snack cinnamon flavor. And they're shaped like dog bones and say Scooby. And then Autumn Sky's got on a kitty cat shirt. See? And we got our kitty cats doing cat things. Also got this kitty cat right here. He purrs. We got that also from Auntie Diana. Isn't that cute? Sometimes I lay it down on the bed and my cat lays on top of it. She knows how to turn it on. Booger Face is stealing her turkey outfit. She was the only one that got dressed up for Thanksgiving this year. I was just too tired from cooking. Tabitha had her clothes laid out, but she never put them on. She said, why bother? Why bother? Booger Face gonna put her Santa baby outfit on. And I got this hat. It goes with the outfit Jasper's got on, but he's got them big pointy Baby Yoda ears and it won't fit over his head. So, Burger Face is gonna wear that. So, I should hold the camera up so we can all see all three of them at the same time, right? Oh, and a carton of milk. So, how y'all beautiful people doing today on this thing Thursday? I haven't been doing too much. I'm going to get some cleaning done. I noticed that when they painted, the paint doesn't match up the wall. You're like, what? Okay, hang on. I don't want to jerk the camera up. So we'll go slowly. Oop, my finger's in the way. Put the flash on so they can see. Anyway, maybe I should take the flash off. We can't really tell with the light on. But see? There's a big white stripe down the middle of the ceiling where they mudded it and didn't really paint over that. When he's painting, he missed that big piece, that big patch right there. So that patch does not have any paint on it whatsoever. You believe that? And then they didn't do too good a job. That big patch right there, white, really drives me crazy. Alright, let's come back down. Let's turn the flash on. Let's come back down so we can see the kids. Oh, hi kids. They're like, the light blurs me. What? Oh, here comes Zeno. She wants the video too. She's like, what? Are you doing a video without me? I'll take the flash off so it don't show her deadly eyes. Alright, you coming back over here? What? What? Really? Yeah, I mean, it's cats and dogs theme Thursday. Oh, I know. Yeah. We got our boxes. We got our Christmas packages ready almost. That one on the bottom's ready. I forgot to get my mom's gift card from Walmart, but other than that gift card, hers is ready to go. We got a Secret Sister. I decided to get the bear Secret Sister. It matches something else in the box. I thought the bear. That buffalo chick matches this buffalo chick. Right, you see? Matchy. Anyways, something there. Went out to Michael's yesterday. And I couldn't decide what ornament to put in here. I mean, it's up to Secret Sister ultimately, but I forgot to measure it. That's the truth. I forgot to measure it. see what size little figurine could fit in there. I guess I'll be going back to Michael's. And then we got another box that's ready to go right there. We got another cat right there. Hi. She's like, hi. Hi. It's St. Thursday, cats and dogs. Look at my beautiful blanket again. Since let's look at the cat again. The beautiful cat. My beautiful cat. She's been looking for Binks. I tried to explain it to her. She doesn't understand. He's not in there. I told you he crossed the Rainbow Bridge. Can you explain that to her? No, there she comes back. Let's get them both in the frame. Well, anyways, look at my mess cooking over there. Got a bunch of medicine and some yarn where I was practicing crocheting. Not good at. There's Mousy. I'll add on footage from earlier where I was pretending like I was eating her paws off. If looks could have killed, she would have got me for sure. Anyway, beautiful people. I think that's about it for today. Unless I find something else funny. I'll add that on. Hi, beautiful people. I found something else funny, cats and dogs related. I thought I'd share this funny.
He is hating life.
Here's Cat Daddy. It's a cat wedding. She's like, yeah, I made my cats get married. Oh. Hey, Mousy. Have you ever thought about getting married, Mousy? Oh, we already talked about this. Well. Oh, yeah, we have. Well, anyway, moving along. Tomorrow starts Candle Day. I'm going to go to Bath and Body Works and get me a couple candles. I'll probably get like 3 or 4. I'm not like it. I'm going to go overboard like some people. But I thought it would be nice to have a few. Anyways, beautiful people. I gotta go back to Michael's. Now I got the measurements on that snow globe. Oh, yeah. Anyway, and then she left. And oh, here she comes another one. Alright. Enjoy your theme Thursday, beautiful people. Cats and dogs. And then I was just showing carpet, which I cleaned yesterday. Except now these cats have broke out their toys and left them. The joys of cats. You got like a pipe cleaner over there. You got a toy right there. Got a pipe cleaner right here. You got a pipe cleaner right here. Yeah. Alright. Be sure to tune in to Yvonne's having you on Sunday to see what next week's Theme Thursday theme is. Bye.